Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME GT Neo 2 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and type in Send Anywhere. Then download this completely free app from this developer and choose Open on your smartphones. Over here you have to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on REALME. Tap on receive on Android and send on REALME device. Now finally choose all of those type of dots and select send. This way you will choose all of those files and send them. It will take a while though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose send and tap got it. As you can see over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key here and after that select receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. Now wait a bit, and now as you can see my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!